Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start animation. We are going to use JavaScript in our tutorial, but I will not teach JavaScript in this tutorial. I will create another tutorial series for JavaScript. I will just show very simple things you can do with JavaScript for now. I just need to add another element here. On click rec form, and let me copy that one and add that one to log form. We are assigning that function to our button. It means when you click the sign in button, RG form function is going to run. When you click the sign up button, log form function is going to run. Let's start our JavaScript. There are two ways to add in JavaScript in our project. One of them is adding JavaScript in our body tag script like this and adding all script here, or you can use another method. Let me create another file, styled JavaScript, and let's add that one in our project. You can add end of your body tag. Here we should use JavaScript like this, style.js. Let's start our JavaScript. By the way, you can give any name you want. Let login form document get element by ID login form and semicolon. Let me make it wider. So let me is guys just creating a variable. So we are creating a variable. The name is login form, and we are assigning our login form. Let me show the login form, guys. Login form. We are assigning our login form to login form variable in this way in JavaScript. Let's create second one. Rec form document get element by ID and rec form. Rec form is coming from our index file. You see guys, our rec form. Let's create third one. Let btn design document get element by ID btn design, and btn design is coming from our index file here, and let's save it. Let's create our function. Function first, we should type function and function name. As you remember, we assigned some function names in our HTML file. So let's start our log form. I'm going to use if statement and some JavaScript code. As I said before, it's not going to be a JavaScript tutorial, but I just want to give some information about JavaScript to use in your project like this. If statement window dot match media maximum width 786 pixel matches and curly brace. Basically, we are getting size of our screen, then assigning some size to our project. First, I want to change my login form position. Login form style left cool minus 500 pixel, and second, rec form position style left 11%, and button design style left 110 pixels, and let's save it. Let's start another condition. I just need to copy that one and change couple of things. 812, and I just need to make that one 12%, and that one is also same. And else login form style left equal 500 pixel, right form style left 15%, and btn design style left 110 pixel. Let's create our second function form. I'm going to use same code. I'll just change some values. Let me change that one. It must be login. So let me copy it, guys, and paste. Let's change the values. I want to make it 11%. I want to make it 450 pixel, and that one is 0, and that one is 12%, and that one 450 pixel, and that one must be 0, and last one 15%, 450 pixel, and 0. And let's save it. Let's have a look at it. You see, guys, it's working perfectly. But we see the form outside of our form, right? So as you remember, in our previous videos, I disabled some codes, overflow codes. Let's make them active. That one is overflow for our mobile view, and the other one is overflow. And save it, and let's have a look at it. You see, guys, we don't see the other form because we just use the overflow hidden, and our form is ready to use, guys. And our hover effect, and let's have a look at it on our mobile phone. It's looking great. That's all for now. By the way, please let me know what you think about tutorial, guys. I value your feedback. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.